To actually see one of the Foxconn units in Sri Perumbudur, 50,000 people work there. And I remember I was speaking to one of the leading industrialists of Tamil Nadu. He says, don't tell me there are, at that point there were about 25,000. I said, there are 25,000. He says, how do they even manage 25,000 workers? In our factories, we are not able to manage 1,000. So, and now that number is scaled up to 50,000. I mean, isn't employment what we are looking for? Isn't that why we are trying to bring in manufacturing and industries? And that's something which has been achieved in the case of the mobile manufacturing ecosystem. Definitely it's been achieved. Now there is a next stage, which is that if the mobile manufacturing ecosystem has to sustain itself in India, then we have to be competitive, which means that you need to have more of the components which are manufactured in the country, and that's what we are targeting in the next phase, that the component ecosystem needs to be built up, and already that has started in terms of mechanicals. Tata Electronics investment in Krishnagiri is about mechanicals, then glass backs. Many of those investments are coming in. So Corning recently announced the Gorilla Glass unit and so on. So many others. There are a number of others who have announced their investments, and the component ecosystem is also coming in. And as that happens, the value addition rises.